Okay, now suppose a number is given. Okay, a number is given 32,000. Now we have to find the smallest number by which it should be multiplied so that it becomes the perfect cube. So what we will do, like we have discussed earlier, first we will do the prime factorization of the number. Okay, so first we will write it like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 . So one group, two group, three group. Okay, so it will be its prime factorization. So when you see carefully, this 2 into 2 has 1, 2 less. Okay, so that means it needs one more 2. When it is having one more 2, then it will be having a pair. So first answer will be smallest number to be multiplied will be 2. Okay, why? Because it is 2 into 2, it needs one more 2. When it is having one more 2, the pair will be completed. Next thing which is asked, what is the number? So our new number will be 32,000, was our number, into 2, that is 64,000. That will be our new number. Next thing is asked is cube root of this new number, that is 64,000. So see, since we have multiplied 1 2 here, so you no need to calculate the prime factorization again. You just put this 2 in this group, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, I am writing it with this, like this. So this you have added. Now 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2, and 5 into 5 into 5. So this is your one group, then 2, 3, 4. Okay, like this. So prime cube root of 64,000 is 40. Okay, so these will be the steps. Whatever group is not forming, that will be the number to be multiplied. Then new number you will make by multiplying that number with the original number. Then you will again calculate the cube root by using prime factorization. So you will simply add one more 2 here. Whatever value is not there, you will put that value. You will get the cube root of the new number. Okay, so one application of square root was that you can find the side of the square whenever the area of square was given. Similarly, you can also find the side of the cube when the volume of the cube is given. Suppose in this question, so suppose volume is given as 46656 centimeter cube. Okay, so this is the volume is given. Now see, so we have, what we will do, we will write it like this: a cube is equals to 46656. So what is the value of a? So when you remove this cube sign, you will get this cube root. Okay, so that means now we will do the prime factorization of this. So prime factorization of this, two into 2 . This will be its prime factorization. So that means when you take out the values, see all the groups have been formed. That means you will get the perfect value. So 2, then 2, then 3, then 3, that is 36 centimeter. Okay, so this is one of the application of the cube root methods. Whenever the volume of the cube is given, then in that case you can calculate the value of the side of the cube. So this is your answer, 36 centimeter. So this is all about your exercise 4.2. Next week we will discuss exercise 4.3 and 4.4.